Remember the feeling you had when you first moved into that new city or a new country? It can be overwhelming. As an African immigrant myself, I quickly realized how difficult it is to find Afro-Caribbean products and services that gives me a sense of home. What if you could bring the Afro-Caribbean experience to your everyday life with just a few clicks? That's where our platform comes in. Welcome to AfroHub, where you can embrace the vibes and shop the culture. My name is Tochi, and I'm the product manager for the team. Let me introduce you to the team. So here is the amazing team that has worked tirelessly to bring a solution to an everyday problem. What are the challenges here? We took surveys, and based on the feedback, here are the core challenges. We realized that customers struggle to find Afro-Caribbean products and services around them, especially services. And when they do find these services, there's lack of variety. And on the vendor side, vendors rely on their personal network to get their customers, especially those who don't have a home front. Maybe they're breeding hair on the side. They don't, you know, have that. And then limited support. There's limited support for them to thrive in the digital space. What is our solution? Our solution is AfroHub. And what does AfroHub offer? Well, AfroHub offers a one-stop shop where customers can find their Afro-Caribbean needs in one place. Global connection, bringing the customer and the vendors together, and then vendor support tools, user-friendly tools to create listings and manage customer relations. And then going to the key features here. So for our MVP, we wanted to concentrate on just users being able to register, to book, and to pay, and for vendors to be able to list their services for hairstyling, food and catering, and beauty and makeup, and also get paid. How does this work? Please watch the next videos that show how our platform works, that is fully functional on Bubble.
Meet Tola, who wants to book a hair braiding service on AfroHub. After signing up, she uses the search bar to filter by type, location, and date. She selects hairstyling category and enters braids in Toronto with a date and hits search. A new page with a variety of available services from different vendors appears based on her search. One service catches her eye, so she clicks on it and she's taken to a detailed booking page. Here, she reviews the vendor's information, reviews, ratings, chooses a time slot, and proceeds to check out. After entering her payment details, she clicks pay. A confirmation pop-up instantly appears, reassuring her that the transaction was successful. With a sense of satisfaction, she clicks OK, and her booking appears on her dashboard. Under Upcoming Bookings, Tola can easily communicate with the vendor after booking if needed. Meet Nia, a student and skilled braider from Senegal, now living in Canada. Eager to expand her clientele, Nia turns to AfroHub. After signing up as a vendor on her personalized account page, she fills in her profile, adding her business name, type of business, locations, and a compelling description that highlights her unique style. Then save changes. Then Nia clicks on services from the left-hand panel. A new page opens up inviting her to add her first service. She clicks the Add a Service button. A form appears where she can enter the details, the service name, type, pricing, and even upload stunning pictures of her past work. Then she hits Save Service. A confirmation pops up letting her know that her account has been updated. Then Nia sets her working dates and time slots in the availability section, ensuring clients can easily book her services. With ease, she can preview, edit, or even remove her listings anytime with just a click. When clients book her services, Nia can manage her appointments from the bookings section and use the customer panel to communicate with clients, answer their questions, and confirm details.
Thank you for watching the video. I'll pass it on to our business analyst, James, now to take us on the financials and market opportunity.
Thank you, Tochi. So for our market opportunities, for the serviceable addressable market for this, we saw that we have about 500,000 population of the Black Afro-Caribbean population in the GTA region, and also a serviceable addressable obtainable market, which we're trying to obtain. About 25,000 of that population is what we're trying to target. Also, our revenue models. So we are charging a 10% commission per transaction that goes through our platform. sponsored digital ads, and also featured leads, listings, and paid productions from our vendors. For our financial metrics, we see that a projected ROI of 199.41% and also a net benefit of 4.04 million, which is a pretty healthy benefit for over 5 years. For competitive analysis, we see that we're charging a 10% commission for every transaction that goes through our platform, which is significantly less than our competition, our competitors. We didn't find any direct competitors because this is a niche market. We're focusing on the Afro-Caribbean community, so which is why we think it's a huge market to capture because there's no direct competition in that sector right now. So it's a huge time to launch this product. But so far from our indirect and semi-direct competitors, we're offering a less percentage for commission, which in turn makes our product service offerings more available for our users. And we have 3 categories also that we are launching with product, our food category, our hairstyling category, and our beauty and makeup category, which is comparatively more than what the competitors offer right now, and also cultural authenticity and a taste of home, whilst our competition is more transactional. I'll hand over now to Toshi to take us through the product roadmap.
Thank you so much, James, for that insight. So I'll just go quickly on the roadmap on the Q1, which is MVP. We just want users to be able to search, book, and pay for a service, and vendors to be able to list their services. And then we are launching a web app with that's going to be mobile responsive. And on the Q2, we want to expand the customer base, and then we're going to launch a mobile app for the iOS and the Android. Q3, we want to expand the business and add more service categories. And the Q4, we want to collaborate more with influencers and and host community event. And then we launched a wait list, and this is the response we got from about 30 people on how they want to use our platform. Speed. So I invite you all to join the hub, join in empowering Afro-Caribbean vendors and connecting customers to Afro-Caribbean flavors, beauty, and culture. Thank you so much for listening. We'll take the questions now.
All right, thank you so much. Let's give them a big round of applause to Team AfroHub. I'm seeing lots of great comments in the chat. Love the energy. If you haven't shared a comment or a thought, you can feel free to share your thoughts. With that being said, I will go to Dakwa to share his thoughts on the team. Team AfroHub.
Yeah, thank you, Team AfroHub. Absolutely love it. I really like the design, the presentation. I really like how you focused on an MVP and you didn't try to do too much. You just really kept it small. And I know this is a very apparent problem. I know countless times my mom, my sister, they struggle to find people to do their hair and stuff in London, UK. So I can't wait for it to come to London. But yeah, great job, guys. Really like what you've done.
All right. Let's go to Ali then. Thank you, Dakwa.
I just want to start off by saying, Tochi, you're amazing. Your presentation skills are amazing, spot on, right? And I can immediately feel the brand voice, the brand colors. What are you trying to achieve? Immediately from the first few slides, you communicated that very, very well, right? Now, somebody put in the comments that we should marry you with some other ideas here. I completely agree. There is potential energy in there or synergy for you to work on multiple paths, and you did show that in your slides. I don't really have any questions for you. It's a point solution system at this stage, which is the right approach. People go chase platforms all the time, and platforms, as you know, is a collection of tools, and it can get quite messy and it takes a long time to ramp up. I love the focus and where you're going with this, right? I just wish, my only wish was that you translated some of your brand styling and voice in the application a little bit more. So that feeling of authenticity, belonging stays with the user as they are looking at the screens and the application and so on. I think spot on with that. Great job.
Thank you, Ali. Ali, if you put the scores on a document for all the teams.
Yes, I will do that right now.
Dakwa,
give me a few seconds
to speak on Pennypath. I wanted to know if you had any questions back for PennyPath or any comments there, since we have some more time now.
No, I really like the PennyPath solution as well. My questions have been asked was around, okay, now you're giving I guess this money to the kids, but how do they spend the money? You know, are you giving them a card? You know, so that was my first concern.
Hi,
Second
baby.
concern,
Sorry, it's Tony needs to mute. Sorry, Dakbo, go ahead. I'll mute them.
yeah. Second concern was I've lost my train of thought.
Hi, baby.
Uh, yes, yeah, so I that would be my main question there.
The question is how do they spend the money,
get
right?
kids to spend the money? Yes.
So if I understand your question is how will they spend the money? So we decide to partner with a brand. So we're looking to partner with either PayPal or there's a financial company, there's a financial brand with Skills Heart. So we're planning to partner with them so the kids are able to redeem, be able to use the money. So that's where the wallet app, the wallet comes in. So in that way, we're not really per se responsible when it comes to, because you have to be licensed for it. So we're already in talking terms in order to see how we can partner with PayPal